In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can make a shape transparent in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead and go in the search bar and simply type Word. So click on it under the best match. Now click on the blank document. So once you have opened your Microsoft Word, you just need to simply insert a shape first. So look at the ribbon at the top and you can find the insert tab. Click on that. You'll find shapes. Click on the drop down and simply choose the shape that you want to insert. Okay. So let's go with this one, the cube. So you will find the plus sign symbol on the blank page. You simply move the plus sign symbol to create the shape that you have chosen. Okay, so I have this cube from here, and as you can see, this is not yet transparent. So in order to make it transparent, you have to click on the shape, and you'll find the shape format tab on the ribbon. Now you have your shape styles. Click on this drop down arrow, and here you'll find presets. So you have here transparent black dark one, transparent dark teal accent one. So there are different variations from here that you can choose from depending on your style, depending on your taste, depending on your preference. Now let me go with this basic one, the transparent black dark one. So I'm going to click on it. And now it is clearly and completely transparent. Okay? But if you don't want or like the first option to transparent dark one, let me quickly insert a shape again. Okay? Select it and then shape styles, click on the drop down. You can choose from here any of this, okay? But if you don't like any like a total transparent, then let's insert a shape again. There is no problem for that. You just have to click on this shape fill and click on no fill. Okay? That's it. That's another way to make a shape transparent in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.